we're going to make homemade protein ice cream.
Ninja Creami Deluxe. And you said, so this one's gonna be healthier?
Yep.
Because it has protein? What flavors are you gonna make today?
Oreo, vanilla.
Vanilla, that's a classic. Okay.
You have to fill in protein shake.
Yeah, make sure you shake them good. All right, so you're gonna do 1.5 cups. All right, there's 1 cup.
There you go.
Okay, that's 1 cup so far each. It's a 1/2 cup, okay. Man, check out that hairstyle. It's got that bolt. 1 tablespoon. For one of them, we're gonna do cookies and cream. So
And the other?
vanilla. All right.
Okay. Be very careful.
And only in that one, because the other one's gonna be a different flavor. All right, so that one's the cookies and cream. Oh, I could already start to see the Oreos. Oh man. All right.
A little extra because that one wasn't all the way through.
I can smell it. That's vanilla. This one's gonna be
Smells
cookies and
good,
cream.
guys.
All right, so next up we have here, this is unflavored protein powder. Yeah, 1 of those in each. So we're gonna add an extra protein in each one. Mix each one. All right, let's start with maybe do the, yeah, that's fine. Put your, yeah. Oh, I can see it thickening up.
It got a little higher.
All right, yeah, it definitely got thicker. Look
Yeah.
at that, from there to there.
Look, guys, it's going up.
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa. We're gonna mark them.
B.
All right, let's take a look. All right.
There we go.
Oh, that's a nice one. All right, pretty hard to miss.
And here.
In the freezer.
Yep. Overnight, guys.
All right, I guess we'll have to wait for part 2 to see how it comes out and how to finish it.
What's up, guys? This is day 2 for our ice cream, guys.
What's part 2? So it looks like we let it sit overnight.
Yeah.
All right.
Ice cream, guys.
Oh. Looks like everyone's excited. Even Noah's friend is here. Grant, say hi, Grant.
Hi.
Even Mavis, even though she thinks she's gonna get some ice cream. Mavis, are you waiting for some ice cream? Almost.
Look, guys, it's already at the bottom.
Yeah, you can see that, huh? All right. Now what? Whoa.
Keep going. Okay, there.
Guys, we're going to add 3 Oreos, guys. One,
2, 3.
3.
All right. We press the mix-in button.
Yep.
And it's full now.
Whoa.
Let's see. What do you think, Noah?
If Ty was here.
Big thumbs up? All right, let's see, Grant. Do you like homemade Oreo ice cream? Oh yeah. Noah's mom, Jen, definitely wants to try some of this too.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Bye.